Hi Capricorn, welcome to my channel. This is a general reading for the coming week. Let's see what the messages say, whether love or money or career. Let's say what the tarot has to say. Whatever messages come, we'll take it. All right. So what you don't see is a very good energy. 10 of Pentacles, everything that you wished for, and you are actually in a very generous energy. Your intuition is guiding you rightly, but you're working a bit too hard, which you I think like. But I think you're in a very happy space. There's nothing wrong with it. Let me clarify what you are being too generous about. Yes, you are being generous because you have completed a heartbreak cycle. You have completed a cycle of not being able to decide, not being able to you know not being able to do justice around for people around you. But right now you are in a, you have overcome the state. The cycle is complete. You have moved on. Your intuition has been your guide throughout, and you are in a very very content stage where you want to help everybody around you. You love people around you. Let's clarify the High Priestess. Yes, you're holding very Wheel of Fortune and the Empress. So Empress is again your energy where you've reached where you wanted to be. It's a feminine energy. It doesn't mean that if you're a man watching it, you can't be an Empress. It's an energy. So an energy where you know what you deserve, and you are in a very a state that, oh, I have achieved it. Queen of Wands is very fiery energy, very ready to take anything for the world, but you're still holding on to something. Things are changing. Things are very quickly changing. Like I said, you have completed a cycle. Let's see. Let me clarify this, and let's see what you're holding on to. Let me first clarify the the Four of Pentacles. So you're holding on to a very toxic thing. I feel you're holding on to something which is very close to your heart, very fiery, but it's toxic. You're not willing to cut it off, though your mind says cut it off, your heart says no, hold on. And I think that's why the sense of hard work comes in. Though yes, some people must be working hard at their work, no doubt. But for some of you, this toxic energy or this relationship is making you work hard. Let me clarify this. So King of Swords and Queen. All right. So yes, again the hard work card. I think. So you you will complete the cycle. I think you will move on from this toxic energy to a fulfillment energy, because your perfect match is waiting around the corner. But you'll have to do some hard work to get it. You'll have to put in the efforts. You are yes, you are happy right now in a state, but you're still very hesitant to put in the hard work which is expected out of you to reach this stage, to reach the happiness, to fulfillment, to reach the happy state, the marriage. It's sort of a marriage card. And King of, which is your energy, King of Swords and Queen of Swords. Somebody is very very perfect is waiting for you. Somebody just right match is waiting for you, but and you know that, and this person is good, but you're not putting in the hard work. You're not putting in that kind of efforts which is required, which you should. Let us see what the major arcana cards have. So yes, Death card, this is evident. You have to let go of the toxic person or the energy. World card coming again. Cycle has to end, Capricorns. You have to end this. Go into the hermit mode. First meditate, see, and then go towards that person that you feel is the right match for you. You need to do some homework here. Let us get some love messages. Let us get some love messages. Alright, one wants to fly out. If they loved you once, they still do. If you feel this person will reject you, don't worry, this person won't reject you. Love in spite of all. Don't get your ego in it. It's not only about being right. Like I said, don't get your ego in it. Because like I said, this person is perfect match. He or she, if you really are rude towards them, they are rude towards you. If you are short tempered, they are short tempered. If you know how to love, they know how to love. So this person is a perfect match for you, provided you put in the efforts, because I think you need to really put in the efforts. You are really holding yourself back. Let me see how you can handle the situation. Be kind. Don't go into fault finding. Don't go into too much of criticism. And like you are doing charity, you are helping people around you. Keep on doing. I think the universe really appreciates that. And be kind. Be kind. Be down to earth. Nobody's perfect. So just avoid from fault finding in others. That's how you can handle the situation. Put in the hard work, Capricorns, like you do in your work. Put it in your relationships also, and you will get the best out of them. That's all I have for you this week. And if you liked what I do, hit the thumbs up, and I'll meet you very soon. Bye bye.